Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, especially with the Reserve or Preferred card, you know that annual travel credit is a game changer for your trips. Today, we're diving into how to redeem that hotel credit effortlessly. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a big vacation, this step-by-step guide will help you save up to $300 a year. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Chase account. Head over to the Chase website or open the mobile app. It's super straightforward. Once you're in, navigate to the Rewards or Travel section. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Ultimate Rewards portal. That's your gateway to redeeming credits. Next, search for hotels. You can use the built-in search tool to find options from partners like Hyatt, Marriott, or even through the Chase Travel portal. When you select a hotel and view your booking options, you'll see an area to apply credits. Simply click on that and choose to use your annual travel credit. For Chase Sapphire Reserve holders, this credit automatically applies to eligible hotel stays, up to $300 per year. A quick tip: always double-check that your booking qualifies. Most hotel stays booked through Chase count, but third-party sites might not. Also, remember to use it before your card's anniversary date to avoid losing any unused credit. If you run into issues, Chase's customer service is top-notch and can guide you through. Once you've applied the credit, review your total, watch those savings add up. Complete the booking, and you're all set. It's that easy to make your travel budget go further. There you have it, folks. Redeeming your Chase Sapphire hotel credit is a breeze and can make your adventures even more affordable. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.